And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O, with a... What does the cow say? No, it says moo. Try it with me. Moo. That's it. Moo. That's right. And on his farm he had some hens, E-I-E-I-O, with a... What does the hen say? No, silly. That's what the rooster says. What does the hen say? Yes, good job. Good job. Mwah. Okay, now, what does the tractor say? Come on, you can do it. Vroom. That's right, that's it. Vroom, 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 vroom. You are so smart. Yes, great job, sweetheart. How's my little Snookie Wookie? Is he being good for you? Oh yeah, he's just the best. We've been practicing animal sounds and singing. Oh, how sweet. Hey baby, what does mommy say? I love you. Say it, I love you. Where have you been? You got off work 3 hours ago. What took you so long? Okay, that's enough. What's her name? Huh? Tell me her name. Where did you guys meet? Time for bed. No, wait. What does Daddy say?
I have needs, Donna, okay? Don't act like you're some saint. I know about your secret email address. Hey, family, I'm home. How are we doing?
You looked through my computer? Oh, you disgust me.
Don't you do that. You always do that. You always find a way to dodge blame. Not this time.
How am I to blame for you fucking some prostitute?
She is a dancer, and it's just a side gig until she finishes beauty school.
You make me sick.
You'd be lucky if you made me feel anything anymore. Hey, Lauren, how much do I usually pay you to babysit? Like $40?
Yeah.
Here's $100. Have a nice night.
Thanks, Mr. Callahan.
Ha ha ha!